Hello, Escape Store. This is Mark from Purple Pepper Commerce, and I'm a project associate here in the company. And yeah, today I stumbled upon your product here on Amazon, and I'm gonna do a quick review about it and show you how your product currently ranks in Amazon's search algorithm. So yeah, let's go to Cerebro Helium 10, and as you can see in the keyword distribution part, you're indexing for 1,590 keywords, so that's actually a solid start. Pretty cool, good job right there. But we have like a four SEO phases here in the company, and they have been strategically proven to work with all of our clients. So if you need help to increase your traffic, sales, and visibility in Amazon, we can actually help you with this one. Just shoot us a message and we'll be more than happy to assist you with it. Plus, we actually have an advertising specialist in our company. So, if you need someone to run an ads for you or manage your campaigns, we can do that too. Because, like I've noticed, you're not running that much ads, and who knows, you are actually losing a lot of sales because of that. But yeah, um, SEO, there's a few things that you know, I can give to you to get your product to index better. Um, I've noticed that in your A plus content, there's actually an alt text behind it. So you're like using a naming convention or just randomly putting text in there. A better way to actually do it is create an alt text, using those keywords in your keyword list that has not been used yet, and they should be, highly searched and is relevant to your product. And what I need you to do is create sets of 100 character each. So yeah, 100 for this banner right here, 100 for this banner right here, and so on. Okay, that way you'll get to add more keywords into your listing, and yeah, watch as your sales increase and traffic increases as you do that. But yeah, if you need to find someone who can do research about what keywords are effective for your listing to get more traffic, just go ahead and visit our website, which is purplepeppercommerce.com. Just click the Let's Talk button here, and then we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay? And yeah, I think that's it. This is Mel again, and hope to see you there. Bye bye for now.